Hello YouTube, this is review of Willys MB Jeep, clone of JJRC Q65. Beautiful Jeep from Banggood. Okay, I'll be back. But my hair not. Okay, in the package you will get this USB charger, this time no LED inside. They say screwdriver, but I do not see a screwdriver. I have my own. And remote controller, it is not JJRC, it is Hyundai, whatever. Maybe it is clone, maybe just different manufacturer. But anyway. Here is switch, we have mechanical trimmer, and by the way, where is here, I remember long time ago I saw one video that there is problem with this shaft. Probably when it goes left and right, let me bend. Bending is just simple pressing this button. When unbended it blinks, or if it gets out of range, it blinks. This is good to notify you that it's out of range. Range is about 80 meters. And that's it. This shaft is something. Pay attention how it goes up and down. I'm not sure whether it's in focus. Whole thing goes up and down. I think I remember one video long time ago that there is some modification on this small shaft which actually moves left and right. So it looks like it is underpowered. When it is full deflection, it hesitates. Else it goes okay. Note how it is going, something like this. So you have here trimmer. If it is trimmer throttle on one side, it will go back. I think this one. Trying to get back. Oh. So long beep and that's it. You don't need to trim throttle, but you need to trim probably left and right. The same thing, if you trim, it will go one side or other. You will see when you begin to drive. This is power level, so when you press maximum you can get actually pretty slow. Battery will last longer and you will longer drive, just not that mileage or faster, immediately goes like crazy. Excellent thing. I want to buy hood for this, but currently is not in stock. Hood will be beautiful here, like for preventing rain. Maybe I will buy some figure to attach here, and maybe other accessories and whatever we have. It is good thing that if it goes toward you, that it is light is brighter. Then when you turn also reverse, when you go away from you, if it turns to the bump or rock or something, you will notice that it is not so bright anymore when driving 80 meters or more. So let's try to open this car to see is that possible to change anything. Just in this room I haven't light too good. Pretty good rubber. As you can see, it can be changed, and probably you can put smaller or bigger. It says that it's scale 1/10, but I'm not sure. Somebody say maybe 1/16 of real dimensions. Not sure about that. So let's remove this one. This time no screwdriver in package. This one is a little bit too tight. Never mind. What else? What else we have here? Where to go first? This assembly. Oh. I think I need everything to remove. Oh, sorry. To see what I'm doing. Oh, yes, just like this. Different screws. This one is shorter. Those are bigger, longer. So this one is shorter, probably. Actually, longer. I'm not sure that. Oh, let's see whether I can remove this part without disassembling everything. Maybe it is possible. Yeah. What else is here? Oh, magnet is good on this screwdriver. Where? Let's find where it is connected. Maybe under the hood. And here is battery. Good thing that is Velcro installed, and I think I found where it is connected. Those two screws. Maybe I no need. I don't want actually to disassemble completely, just to find the various electronics. And yep, those two screws are similar. see now. Yep, that's it. So I'll back the screw. I don't want to disassemble everything. Oh, antenna is upside down. So this means that it can get even more range. One idea is to actually get FPV camera on it. Since I'm addict to FPV, I'll back this one just for sake. I'm not mechanic, more like electronic person, but anyway. This Jeep is excellent for modifications of various kinds. So I think even motor can be upgraded, but not sure. We will see. Yep, need to remove this one. Just maybe later I will see whether it is pinion gear dimensions for motor that I already have. We'll see. Clumsy. Okay, now let's focus to electronics. I already see that switch and battery wire pretty thin, so maybe there's losing a little bit of current. Different type of screw. Pretty strong magnet. So whole thing goes out. Okay, that's a good sign. Just in case that I need to replace motor or increase in power or pinion gear promises. Ooh, I have not this driver, but I can see pinion gear, plastic one, with probably 11 teeth. Ooh. That's good. Plastic gears, but I think that it's nylon, which is very tough plastic. So let's put everything back. Just orientation like this. Yep, it is plastic, but they say that it's ABS, which is very good plastic. I wish that is metal, but it cannot be for $50 or so. So plastic, okay, never mind. Magnet on motors is strong, no problem there. 20 millimeters exactly. So I should to watch for 20 millimeters motor, and I just guessing length is 26 or so, 25, 26. Antenna is on bottom, maybe this. Let's see what is above plastic. It can be drilled and it will go here, somewhere here. Actually, not bottom, actually this is top, but antenna can be vertically protruded here to make something like real military car. Everything looks good. Okay. Those screws are, I need 4 screws. Okay, fish those 2 to put it back. So there can be modified many things, from motor to interior. My idea was that something like this, I put here camera with gimbal, stabilizer, and drive like FPV, transmitter and everything else. There's plenty of space, plenty of room. So for those who don't like actually to mess with the mechanic, I don't know, but for everyone who want to change something, there is plenty things to change. As I say, I want to make FPV. Okay, that's it, people. Thank you for watching. Please rate, share, comment and subscribe. Until next time, bye!